let's try to write the structures of carbon compounds. Okay, first C2H5 means first we have to give the priority to the number of carbons. How many carbons there? 5. That is 1 2 3 4 5. So every carbon can make a bond with the 4 hydrogens or 4 other any element. Okay, so that's why means these 4 here, 4 4 4. Okay, every carbon has a 4 4. So now we have to fill it with the hydrogen because H given. One, just write first hydrogens and then you can check it. See, 1 2 3 4 5 5 carbons, number of hydrogens 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 5 carbons is there and all single bonds there, so that's why we can write the name as a means isomer name is pentane. Okay, right. So let's try the second one, C6H14. So number of carbons, yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons, and the remaining we should write the hydrogens. Okay, then as you check 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 hydrogens. So the name will be 6 carbons is hex and all single bonds, so that's why ane, so hexane. Okay, right.